How to add NGL link to Snapchat story. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to add NGL link to Snapchat story. First of all, now go ahead now and copy your NGL link. So let's say now I'll just copy this link. After you copy your NGL link, now go and open up your Snapchat app. After you open your Snapchat app like this, now all you have to do now, go ahead now and upload a picture that you want to add to your story, or a video, or you can just use any filter from this section and take a picture. So I'll just go ahead and take a picture like this. After you take a picture that you want to add to your Snapchat story, so now tap on this. As you can see, now tap on this little icon, this one. So after you tap on this section, now go ahead now and paste in your link in this section. After you paste in your link, now tap on this search. So now allow it to finish loading your link. So now tap on this attach to Snapchat. So as you can see now, here is now my NGL link. All you have to do now, tap on this share button. So now it's sending my story. Now my story has added. If you want to view your story with the link, tap on this your profile. After you tap on your profile at the top left side, scroll to down and tap on this my story. So as you can see now, here is the link that I just added. This is how to add NGL link to Snapchat story. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you.